Hey guys, I'm Sebastian, host of Ninth Island Connection, your weekly resource for all things Vegas. Check out the description below so that you can see how you can watch our television show wherever you are. And if this is your first time here, or if you've been here before and you haven't already, please subscribe. It just takes a second and it really helps us out here. Today's video, we are back at our favorite spot on the strip, the Flamingo. And we realized it's been a minute since we've done a room tour. So we wanted to do one because this is the property that we actually stay at the most. We love the location, we love the vibe, and we love these classic rooms. Before we get into it, yes, they are dated. There are gonna be little bumps. It's an old property. It's actually the oldest property on the strip right now. So just expect that, but you cannot beat the location and the vibe. Let's get to it. So this is the Spa Tower. This is the one that's closest to self-parking and like the FedEx area, the little coffee shop down there. And this is a one king, non-smoking, not an upgrade. This is just a standard basic room. Let's get into it. When you first walk in, you're in this little entry area, right? They're not the biggest room. So you walk right into the entry area, and to your right or left, depending, you're gonna have your closet. As you can see right there, you do have a few hangers, and if you need more, just grab some from housekeeping. There's your ironing board. That light right there, that's a sensor with motion. And then you've got a little dresser in there. And then on the opposite side, you've got your bathroom. Let's go check it out. So right there, you can see that's your hair dryer, one roll of extra toilet paper. You can get more of that from housekeeping as well. And here are your towels, plenty of room for all your stuff. Let's take a look at the shower. Typically, they do have a body wash there as well, but you know what? There was a bar of soap. It's whatever. And you know what? Don't worry about reading material in the bathroom. Check out this door right here. That is a really cool touch. Really brings back those classic Vegas Flamingo vibes. That's it. This is the whole bathroom. They're not massive, but they get the job done. You do have a nice big counter right here. I love these backlit mirrors. I mean, you know what? It's not a dump. It's older, but it's really nice. And then you've got this big shower right here. A word of caution though. There's no door and there is a lip here. So water will splash here and your bath mat is gonna get wet. Not soaked, but you'll notice it there. So just be aware, if you have like slip hazards, this probably isn't the room for you. So just be aware of that. And the vents right here are clean. I've seen some videos saying that Flamingo's a dump because they have dirty vents. We've never had a dirty vent in our room. Maybe the staff has seen some of those videos and put some extra effort into cleaning the vents, but we have no issue at all in this room. Let's get into the rest of the room. So of course you're gonna have an adjoining door right here. People that travel with families like this because you can get rooms with adjoining doors. Have the kids in one side or the other party in one side, however you want to do it. Here it is. This is just nice, classic Vegas. I love these minor upgrades, like the headboard. The bed is kind of about knee-high right there. These cool, classic lamps, and they're new. These aren't old lamps that have been here forever. They're just classic. Actually, look at how clean this lampshade is, too. Let's go to the other side. Let's check out this side. How cool is this lamp right here? Isn't that so cute? I'm 50, so I say cute now. I say it a lot, actually. That's a very cute lamp. One of the things that we used to hate when we traveled to Vegas was not enough plugs for all of your stuff, your laptop, multiple cell phones, maybe a tablet, Bluetooth radio, earbuds that you're plugging in to charge, all of that stuff. The Flamingo, this is a minor upgrade. Look at this right here. So you have all the charging ports there. You've got Wi-Fi, 2 USBs, 1 C-type, and 2 regular plugs right here. That's 5 charging ports. With the Wi-Fi, that's 6, just right there in that little box. And you're gonna have the plugs on both end tables. If you want even more charging, because you've got more stuff, let me show you this. Don't forget to check out our merchandise shop right here. We've got your t-shirts, your hats, coffee mugs, everything Ninth Island Connection. Look at this right here. USB, HDMI, plug. If you need more outlets than we've shown you here, you're gonna have to travel with like a power strip or something. I don't know what to tell you. And then of course you've got this nice little sitting area for one, but you've got the chase right next to it there. So perfect. I just love these little kitschy, classic Vegas touches throughout the room. Here's another look at the room from this angle. This is a nice bonus that I really appreciate. And this is your complimentary refrigerator. Keep all your extra water, your beverages, whatever in there. And then right next to it here, you've got your safe. I already checked it. Nobody left any chips in there for me. And then you've got more shelves over here. This is going to be a plus or minus depending on you, because this is like a personal thing. We found some people love it, some people hate it. We've got a habitat and pool view. Beautiful view, love it. Better than staring at the parking lot. However, you do hear the pool. Like we can hear the pool right now, and they open at about 9 a.m. and the music cranks. Let's go check it out. As you can see here, we had a great view. There's the high roller right there. There's the pool. There's the link and the flamingo habitat right there. This was just perfect. Another thing that I appreciate is the floor to almost ceiling windows here. You get tons of natural light. You get that Vegas view. Like I'm watching people party at the pool right now. I'm watching people at Carlos and Charlie's, and I want to be there. Like I feel like I'm in Vegas and I'm ready to get down there. It's awesome. So the spa tower, the one that we're in, it runs parallel to Flamingo Boulevard here in Vegas. So you're either going to get this view on the inside, facing in the property, or on the other side of the hallway, that's a view of Horseshoe and that side of the strip down there. So you have kind of a South Strip view that way, but really Horseshoe is what you're looking at on that side. So if you want this, make sure you specify you want a habitat view, not, or else you're going to be facing the Horseshoe and Flamingo Boulevard. All right, so a quick recap. I don't know if you can hear it, but we can hear the pool, which it doesn't start until about 9:30 in the morning, so it's fine. Unless you're trying to sleep in extra late, that might bother you. Another thing that wasn't my favorite, but actually it is my favorite, and it's not my favorite at the same time, is we're the first room right by the elevator. So I love the convenience because the hallways in Flamingo are very long, and we've got big luggage, we've got Carlos. So to be able to just get on and off the elevator, hit the casino, parking, etc., that's fantastic. But you do hear the people because it's Vegas. So it's not like you're in a hotel in the middle of nowhere. People are out there late and early, and you do hear them. Other than that, you know what? We love Flamingo rooms. Yes, it is old. We talked about that at the beginning, but it's clean, it's nice, it's comfortable. The AC worked perfectly. Love these views right here. Cannot beat the location of Flamingo right in the center of the strip. So would I say here again? Absolutely. 10 out of 10 out of 10 will definitely be here. There's a reason that we've stayed at the Flamingo more than any other property. It's because we just think it's fantastic. And just in case you're curious, because some people are, this room right here, this is 12021 in the Spa Tower. That's a wrap on this one. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe. We appreciate you guys' support. Check out the description below so that you can see how you can watch our television show wherever you are. And hit us up. We're all over social media. We're Instagramming, TikToking, Facebooking, Threading. You get it. We're Ninth Island Connection everywhere. Ninth Island Connection highlights Las Vegas businesses, entertainment, events, and activities on and off the strip, keeping our viewers connected with the Ninth Island of Las Vegas. From local mom and pop restaurants to those owned and operated by top chefs, from kitchen action to the inspiration behind the dishes, we deliver the culinary creations of Vegas. From Las Vegas entertainers and athletes to all of the exciting activities and experiences around the Vegas Valley, we keep our viewers connected with all of the excitement that the entertainment capital of the world has to offer. Of course, we can't forget about the casinos that make Vegas, Vegas, with exclusive tours of the incredible amenities and beautiful accommodations, getting right in the heart of the casino floor action and entertainment, as well as interviews with casino owners, CEOs, GMs, and executive chefs. We bring the Las Vegas Casino into our viewers' homes. Highlighting lesser-known areas like the Fremont East District, the Arts District, and Brewery Row, we bring attention to these small businesses that have become fast favorites in the local community. We bring our viewers a complete Vegas experience. We also invite our viewers along as we venture into the great outdoors of the Las Vegas Valley, sharing short road trips, hikes, and the unique sights found in the Mojave Desert. Great people, great stories, great connections, only on Ninth Island Connection.